Let's move on to our next update, which is part of our headlines for this hour. The Indonesian Navy dismantled over 30 kilometers of sea fence today at Tanjung Pasir Beach in Tangerang Regency, Banten.
And over 600 people, including Navy personnel and also local fishermen, were involved, supported by more than 10 boats and also vessels.
So we are on board in Tanjung Pasir Beach in Tangerang Regency, Banten Province. As you can see behind me, this is the current situation on the board where the Indonesian Navy alongside with the fishermen in Tangerang District Regency are carrying out sea fence demolition, and for our observation, they are more than 600 personnel ranging from Indonesian Navy and also the fishermen are conducting the sea fence demolition itself. So based on our observation, this sea fence has length of more than 30 kilometers, to be precise 30.16 kilometers, and the sea fence itself is made from bamboo and has various depth. Based on our observation also, the sea fence itself has been sealed by the Maritime Affairs and Fisheries Ministries.
We spent over 2 hours observing the dismantling of the sea fence, which, despite being hit by the waves, remains strong. The operation involved over 600 people, including Indonesian Navy personnel and local fishermen. More than 10 boats, tugboats, naval vessels, and marine patrol boats were used. The process began with a morning roll call led by Brigadier General Hari Indarto, Commander of Indonesian Navy 3rd Fleet Command.
Perintah secara langsung Presiden melalui Bapak Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut, ya, yang utama yang saya tangkap buka akses terutamanya untuk nelayan keluar masuk untuk beraktivitas. Sepertinya tidak mungkin kalau 30 km itu akan kita laksanakan dalam 1 hari. Ya, kita akan atur mekanismenya, minimal target saya hari ini 2 km. Seperti yang saya sampaikan tadi, kesulitan kita lebih mudah menanam daripada mencabut. Ya, apalagi kalau yang sudah ditanam ini sudah jangka waktu sampai berbulan-bulan, itu akan lebih menyulitkan kita untuk pencabutan. Tapi target kita hari ini minimal 2 kilo bisa kita cabut. Apapun itu, kalau untuk kepentingan rakyat, ya Angkatan Laut, TNI khususnya, ya kita akan tampil ke depan.
The sea fence, 500 meters from the shore, crosses 16 villages and 6 sub-districts in Tangerang Regency, 3 villages in Kronjo, 3 in Kemiri, 4 in Mauk, 1 village in Sukadiri, 3 in Bakuhaji, and 2 villages in Teluk Naga. In place since September 2024, the Maritime Affairs and Fisheries Ministry is investigating who installed the fence and its purpose, along with other agencies, including the Coordinating Ministry for Economic Affairs, the Environment Ministry, the Agrarian and Spatial Planning Ministry, and the local government. Fahrian Bahri, Sri Asih Rizki, for C Today.